When you consider all those expenses to go set up a private cellular network in a massive facility like this would be around $400,000. The benefit to the customer when they do that is $10 million in cost avoidance.
As you can see in this diagram here, one deploying Wi-Fi, a warehouse, and then a private cellular environment deployed on the right-hand side.
So as you can imagine, a disruption in a fully automated distribution center is pretty significant. We're looking at $50,000 a day in disruption.
This AGV, while it determines that a new target access point is available for it to move to, it will make its connection with the target access point before breaking the connection with its source. This makes this type of mobility highly reliable. Integrating with the firewalls in your network and other intrusion detection systems also gives you the ability to quarantine your devices automatically if it needs to be.